Hey guys, this is a warm up for demoing. So, I think the biggest problem that I have is timing. Usually, when I have works at around 7:30, so I don't have the time to look at it, and I look at for hours. The maximum the hour. If anything happen, nothing happened. Um, a little bit, but the problem is for me is I noticed that we're in the seller territory, and I noticed that the look in the bottom here, reading all this, and they already kill the last. I don't know. This is kind of small, so so one and two and three and four. So basically, kill this part and then that part. So the part is like I don't like is I'm in the area for seller area. And the part that I do like is from this big chunk of a channel, and I gotta go back. Just came back from it and warm up for my post analysis. And I think is when this was break, and I saw this no trap right here, and yeah, I was really impatient, and I'm in the wrong timing to do a trade. So during that time, I was awake around 5, just look at. I just want to say thank you, Henny, for sharing this um this conference of Aussie New Zealand. And I think when Henny, when you share it, I felt for me the biggest problem is the timing problem. When you it's kind of feel a little more confused for me is uh now I noticed that I had this problem that you draw this line, this what happened and prediction, and it did happen, but in the wrong timing of my time, because I think during this time I probably still working, and at 4 o'clock we're still working, and I couldn't catch this move from here. So, and coming back from home, and I don't think so. I had the time to do a trade for 10 or 12, and I'll probably go sleep and just wait for another opportunity for tomorrow. So that being said, I just want to say that this is just a warm up for my PA. I know the territory here. Um, I could see if I could see there should be a trap buyer from here, but I feel this big giant chunk. I don't think this will come down again. Um, because they had to go. They had to go through all this to mess around, and I think the problem is I took my position very early and should have waited for that, and I took in the wrong timing, the wrong time, and then the news was not out for a bit. Yep, it was a good warm up. For this PA, I just want to share my failure and I want to post it out, and I want to own it and what I'm doing wrong, and feel free to correct me what I did wrong. Feel free to give me feedback because feedback will definitely help me to master trading. And yeah, um, coming back, and I'm very grateful to come back to just share my PA again. Yeah, thank you for watching. That'll be it.